In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos in FlutterFlow. We'll walk through the basic setup inside a FlutterFlow project so you can let users select media, preview it on the page, and prepare it for sending to your backend if needed. Even though the interface is simple, a few settings need to be connected properly for everything to work smoothly. Start by opening FlutterFlow and loading the project where you want this upload feature to live. Once you're inside the page editor, drag an image widget onto the page, and then add a button as well. If you prefer, you can use a container with an upload icon instead of a standard button. The important part is that you have one visual area to display the selected file and one control that triggers the upload action. Next, select the image widget and set its path to widget state, then choose Uploaded Local File. This tells FlutterFlow to display the file that the user has just picked on their device. It's a useful setup because it gives immediate visual feedback before anything is stored remotely. After that, add a conditional builder around the image widget, configure it so the image only appears when there is an active uploaded local file. If there isn't one yet, show a default placeholder instead. This makes the page feel cleaner and more user-friendly since people will either see their selected media or a clear empty state prompting them to upload. Now select the button and open the action flow editor. This is where you define what happens when the user taps the upload control. Add a new action and choose Upload Save Media. Then set the upload type to local upload using widget state. That setting is what connects the uploaded file to the page state you used earlier for the preview. And from there, choose the media source. And you can allow users to pick from the gallery, use the camera, or give them both options. Then specify that you want to allow photo uploads. Be careful here because this setting determines what kind of file the picker accepts, so you'll want to make sure it matches your intended media flow in the app. Finally, if you want to do more after the media has been uploaded locally, you can optionally push it to your backend. This is useful if the file needs to be stored permanently, linked to a user profile, or used elsewhere in your application. That's the full setup. Once these pieces are connected, your FlutterFlow page will be able to let users choose media, preview it instantly, and prepare it for further processing.